Presthaven, Presthaven, North Wales. Mash and Farrell, Crazy Golf, plenty of outdoor seating. Take a look over here. So we've made some improvements with the mini version of the roadworks. Sales vans, photo opportunities, go-karts, five-a-side. We'll go into the main reception. Take a look around inside. We'll go in or? Plenty of fruit machines, game machines. Burger King, Live Lounge. That won't be open until later as entertainment, if you're near me. Carousel. Shows games. Some bar. Really loud, so chances are you're not going to hear me particularly well, as it should be in the arcade. people in this. Let's see what you can get for 60,000. That excludes the site fees.
After I sell my rollerblade on the end.
They always used to put site fees in, so I find it a bit odd now that they're excluding it. All the same. Dishwasher. Boiler cupboard. Fridge. Freezer. 3 bedrooms. With there being 3 bedrooms there, it's possibly an ensuite. Don't know how to clean mirrors, but never mind. Okay. Quite narrow. Looks like we've had people sleeping in it. Let's have a look. Right, so you haven't got an ensuite, you've got a toilet and sink. So take another look at the shower and see what's going on. Hey Spud, what are you doing in there? I'd be more worried if you were no clothes on. That wouldn't have been great for everything there. You'd have been soaked. Actually, it's got no water on. They're not plumbed in, so you wouldn't be able to do that if you'd like to. Okay, so we have another van, just to give you a rough idea of prices on here. So 42,000. Site fees are between 5.5 and 9.5, depending on where you are. So that's every single year, and it will be subject to increase. Okay, so this is more of a base model compared to the last one. But I would say the lounge is roomy enough. And in fact, I would say the hall is wider. You don't actually feel as confined. So again,
Also,
you've got a shower.
there's no gas, central heating.
In this one, no central heating. So we've got what, the fireplace in the lounge. What have we got in the bedroom for heating? Nothing. Oh, you've got some electric heating in the wardrobes. And no towel rail. No towel rail, okay. So not really designed for winter. Okay. Must have a towel rail in here. The bathroom in here. Yeah, we have. Okay, again, cooker, fridge, but not a fridge freezer like the last one.